Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video, I'm going to share all my essentials experiences I had while learning Mathematics 10 in the new normal. So, before pandemic, we all know from the very beginning, since we start schooling, that mathematics is a difficult yet enjoyable subject. The way we learn mathematics during face-to-face and online class is really far different, because during face-to-face class of mathematics, we can easily understand how problems are solved and we can easily solve the problems, even the most difficult one. But now, in new normal, all the classes are held online. It is more difficult because there are many distractions. During this pandemic, I'm having a hard time with the way I study now because I don't learn fast. I need enough time to understand all the lesson. But despite those obstacles, I could do nothing but to strive to pass this school year. This new normal, as a grade 10 student, I learned a lot in mathematics. I learned the importance of mathematics in our daily lives. This school year, we tackled about patterns and sequence. A pattern is a series or sequence that repeats. Math patterns are sequences that repeat according to a rule or rules. A sequence is an enumerated collection of objects in which repetitions are allowed and order matters. An arithmetic sequence is a list of numbers with a definite pattern. An arithmetic series is the sum of a sequence. Geometric sequence is an ordered list of numbers in which each term after the first is found by multiplying the previous one by a constant called R, the common ratio. Geometric series is a series for which the ratio of each two consecutive terms is a constant function of the summation index. Degree of polynomials. It is the highest power of the variable that occurs in the polynomial. Leading coefficient. It is the numbers written in front of the variable with the largest exponent. A composition of functions is when two functions are operated on each other. A permutation is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a set when the order of the arrangements matters. A combination is a mathematical technique that determines the number of possible arrangements in a collection of items where the order of the selection does not matter. Trigonometry. It is a branch of mathematics concerned with specific functions of angles and their application to calculations. Counting theory. It is the fundamental counting principle, also called the counting rule, is a way to figure out the number of outcomes in a probability problem. A measure of central tendency is a single value that attempts to describe a set of data by identifying the central position within that set of data. Mean. It is the sum or total of all the values in a set of data, such as numbers of measurements divided by the number of values on the list. Median. It is the middle number, found by ordering all data points and picking out the one in the middle, or if there are two middle numbers, taking the mean of those two numbers. The mode is the value that appears most frequently in a dataset. Lastly, the measure of variability. It is a summary statistic that represents the amount of dispersion in a dataset. Those are the lessons we tackled for this school year, and I am very thankful because I learned a lot in this subject. Despite the obstacles in learning mathematics, it did not become a barrier for me to have more knowledge. By the end of this year, I am very thankful to my teacher who tirelessly teaches to increase our knowledge and shape our ability in this subject. So, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you!